In this educational video, we delve into the details of the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, passed by the Indian government. Learn about its purpose, eligibility criteria, controversies, and global impact. Join us as we explore the implications of this legislation and its significance in India's socio-political landscape. The Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, passed by the Parliament of India on the 11th of December 2019, is an amendment to the Citizenship Act, 1955. Here are the key points about the CAA. Purpose and eligibility. The CAA aims to protect individuals who have sought refuge in India due to religious persecution. It provides an accelerated pathway to Indian citizenship for persecuted religious minorities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan who arrived in India by 2014. The eligible minorities are stated as Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis, or Christians. Notably, the law does not grant such eligibility to Muslims from these countries. Global criticism. The CAA attracted global criticism because it was the first time that religion had been overtly used as a criterion for citizenship under Indian law. The Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, OHCHR, called it fundamentally discriminatory. Critics expressed concerns that the bill could be used along with the National Register of Citizens, NRC, to render many Muslim citizens stateless. Implementation. Under the 2019 amendment, migrants who had entered India by 31 December 2014 and had suffered religious persecution or fear of religious persecution in their country of origin were made eligible for accelerated citizenship. The amendment relaxed the residence requirement for naturalization of these migrants from 12 years to 6. According to Intelligence Bureau records, there will be just over 30,000 immediate beneficiaries of the Act. Controversies. The amendment has been criticized as discriminating on the basis of religion, particularly for excluding Muslims. Critics argue that it could be used to target Muslims and create a stateless population. The CAA has sparked debates on secularism, inclusivity, and constitutional principles. The Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, of 2019 expedites citizenship applications for non-Muslim migrants who arrived in India before 2014. The CAA aims to protect people who have sought refuge in India due to religious persecution. The CAA makes eligible for Indian citizenship Hindus, Parsis, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Christians. The CAA does not mention Muslims. The government explains that since Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh are Islamic republics with a Muslim majority, Muslims cannot be considered persecuted minorities. The CAA does not apply to illegal migrants and their India-born children who are Muslim. The CAA is seen as being linked to the National Register of Citizens, NRC. The NRC is a list of people who can prove they came to the state by 24th of March 1971. Critics argue that the CAA, coupled with a proposed National Register of Citizens, could lead to discrimination against India's 200 million Muslims. The CAA expedites Indian citizenship applications of Hindus, Parsis, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, and Christians who escaped to India from religious persecution in Muslim-majority Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan before December 31, 2014. They become eligible for citizenship in 5 years.